Welcome to a new era in education, where artificial intelligence is transforming how students learn, practice, and prepare for their futures. Today, we'll explore 5 proven GPT models designed specifically to empower modern students, educators, and university IT teams. These models address the most critical gaps in the student journey, from understanding complex concepts to landing that first job. Whether you're an ambitious student, a forward-thinking educator, or part of a university's IT department, this guide will show you how targeted AI solutions can make a real difference in academic and career success. Path of a modern student is filled with challenges. From lectures and readings that can be overwhelming, to the pressure of exams and the uncertainty of future careers, students often find themselves facing critical gaps. These gaps aren't just about knowledge, they include practice, application, and opportunity. Many students struggle to internalize complex ideas, lack effective practice tools, and need help translating academic achievements into real-world skill. Understanding these pain points is the first step toward meaningful change. Let's break down the 4 main gaps students face: knowledge, practice, application, and opportunity. Knowledge gaps arise when students can't fully grasp difficult concepts from lectures or readings alone. Practice gaps occur because adaptive, low-stakes practice tools are rare, leaving students unprepared for exams. Application gaps make it hard for students to move from theory to real-world tasks like writing essays or debugging code. Finally, opportunity gaps mean students struggle to showcase their skills in resumes and interviews, making the transition to careers challenging. Generic AI tools can only go so far. The real breakthrough comes from custom GPTs, specialized AI assistants tailored to address specific student needs. By building and deploying these targeted models, educators and students can bridge the gaps that traditional methods leave behind. Each model acts as a blueprint, offering a strategic solution for a particular challenge, whether it's mastering tough subjects, practicing skills, or preparing for a career. This playbook introduces 5 powerful, field-tested GPT models: the personal tutor, smart quiz partner, writing coach, code helper, and career coach. Each model is designed to solve a specific pain point in the student journey. Think of them as your AI-powered teammates, ready to support you from learning and practice to real-world application and career preparation. Let's dive into each play and see how they work in practice. Personal tutor model transforms passive learning into active mastery. Acting as an adaptive, always-on companion, it explains tough concepts in multiple ways using analogies, summaries, and step-by-step walkthroughs. It builds student confidence by offering guided hints and targeted practice, always encouraging progress without simply giving away answers. Whether you're stuck on a math problem or need to review key ideas from a chapter, the personal tutor is there to help you learn deeply and effectively. Getting started with the personal tutor is easy. You can ask it to explain any topic in simple terms, request practice problems with solutions, or get a step-by-step walkthrough of a challenging question. For example, you might say, "Explain this topic for my biology class," or "Help me review the key ideas from chapter 3. The model adapts to your needs, making learning more interactive and personalized. Building a personal tutor GPT involves configuring its name, uploading relevant notes or slides, and setting toggles for code interpretation and file uploads. The core instructions emphasize an encouraging, concise personality that celebrates small wins and gradually deepens understanding. The learning flow is structured. Clarify the goal, teach, practice, check, and adjust difficulty. Importantly, the tutor never completes graded work but guides students with concepts in step. Crucial feature of the personal tutor is its commitment to academic integrity. It provides only 1-2 practice items at a time, waits for the student's attempt before offering hints, and refuses to complete graded assignments. This ensures that students truly learn and develop their own skills, rather than relying on the AI to do the work for them. Smart Quiz Partner is designed to drive mastery through adaptive practice. It creates quizzes that adjust in real time based on your performance, making practice both challenging and rewarding. As you answer questions, the difficulty shifts to match your progress and you receive immediate feedback and rationales. This model also tracks your topic mastery and recommends areas for focused review, helping you prepare more effectively for exams. With the Smart Quiz Partner, you can request quizzes on any topic or week, specify the number of questions, and choose formats like multiple choice or short answer. For example, you might say, "Quiz me on week 2 with 10 questions," or "Start a scenario-based quiz on genetics." The model adapts each quiz to your needs, making practice more engaging and effective. Build a Smart Quiz Partner, upload learning objectives and question sets, configure toggles for code interpretation and file uploads, and set the process. Gather topics, serve 1 question at a time, grade and adapt difficulty, and display a mastery table every 5 questions. The model ends each quiz with targeted study recommendations, ensuring students know exactly where to focus their efforts. Academic integrity is built into the Smart Quiz Partner. It withholds answers until you attempt or request them, preventing passive learning. The model also avoids leaking active exam content and ensures that all practice is fair and effective. This approach helps students build real mastery and confidence ahead of assessments. Writing Coach guides students through every stage of the writing process, from brainstorming and outlining to drafting and revising. It helps improve clarity, structure, and argumentation while preserving the student's authentic voice. The Writing Coach acts as a supportive mentor, not a ghostwriter, ensuring that students develop their own ideas and skills. You can ask the Writing Coach to help brainstorm a thesis, outline your essay, edit paragraphs for clarity, or show proper citations. For example, "Help me brainstorm a thesis on climate change," or "Edit this paragraph for clarity but keep my tone." The writing coach adapts to your needs, making the writing process less daunting and more productive. Set up a writing coach, upload writing rubrics, style guides, and sample essays. Enable browsing for fact-checking and citations, and allow file uploads. The model offers key modes like brainstorming, outlining, draft polishing, and argument strengthening. It generates outputs such as revision plans, rubric tables, and citation blocks, always co-creating with the student rather than writing full essays. Writing Coach is designed to preserve student authorship and prevent plagiarism. It flags overquoting or close paraphrasing and never writes full essays. Instead, it co-creates structure and guides students through revisions, ensuring that the final work is truly their own. This approach fosters genuine learning and ethical writing practices. Code Helper is an essential tool for students learning programming. It assists with debugging, explains complex concepts like recursion, and suggests improvements, all without simply providing the solution. The Code Helper empowers students to understand their own errors and develop problem-solving skills, making coding less intimidating and more accessible. You can ask the Code Helper to debug a function, explain a tricky concept, or help with a database query. For example, help debug this Python function or explain recursion with a simple example. The Code Helper responds with a quick diagnosis, a fixed plan, suggested code, and a clear explanation, encouraging you to test and learn from the process. Build a Code Helper, upload course style guides, starter code, and known issues. Enable code interpretation and file uploads. The model follows a structured response, quick diagnosis of issues, a numbered fixed plan, suggested code that matches the user's style, and a clear explanation. This approach helps students learn to solve problems independently. Code Helper is committed to academic honesty. For active assignments, it offers only guidance and conceptual help, not complete solutions. It encourages students to run their own tests and interpret outputs, fostering real understanding and skill development rather than shortcutting the learning process. Career Coach accelerates career readiness by helping students tailor resumes, cover letters, and interview prep to specific job descriptions. It uses proven frameworks like STAR to help students articulate their skills and experiences with clarity and confidence. The Career Coach preserves the candidate's authentic voice while optimizing materials for maximum impact. You can ask the Career Coach to tailor your resume to a specific job, write a strong opening for your cover letter, or conduct a mock interview. For example, tailor my resume to this data analyst job, or mock interview me for a marketing role. The Career Coach provides feedback on clarity, impact, and conciseness, helping you present your best self to employers. Set up a Career Coach, upload resume templates, action verb lists, STAR examples, and industry competency frameworks. Enable browsing and file uploads. The model generates optimized resume bullet points, concise cover letters, and conducts mock interviews with feedback. It never invents or embellishes experiences, ensuring all materials are authentic and fair. Integrity is at the core of the Career Coach. It never invents or embellishes experiences and flags optional personal data that could be omitted for fairness. This ensures that students present themselves honestly and ethically, building trust with future employers and upholding professional standards. Ready to empower your students or yourself? The first step is to identify the specific need or pain point you want to address. Choose one playbook, whether it's mastering a subject, improving writing, or preparing for a career. Focusing on one area at a time ensures a targeted and effective approach. Next, gather the necessary knowledge and resources. This might include syllabi, rubrics, style guides, or sample assignments. The quality of the information you provide directly impacts the effectiveness of your custom GPT model. Take the time to collect and organize these materials for the best results. Now, it's time to build your GPT. Use the blueprints provided for each playbook. Configure the name, description, toggles, and core instructions to match your needs. Customizing these settings ensures that the AI assistant is perfectly aligned with your learning or teaching goals. Once your GPT is set up, test and refine it. Run through the conversation starters, ask follow-up questions, and iterate on the instructions to improve performance. This process helps you identify any gaps or areas for improvement, ensuring the model delivers maximum value. Finally, share your custom GPT with students or colleagues. Gather feedback and use it to create a continuous improvement cycle. As more people use the model, you'll discover new ways to enhance its effectiveness and impact, making it an even more powerful tool for learning and growth. With great power comes great responsibility. When building and using AI tools in education, it's essential to uphold academic and professional standards. This means guiding students rather than completing graded work, flagging potential plagiarism, and always prioritizing honesty and fairness. Responsible AI use benefits everyone in the learning community. One of the most important principles is to preserve student authorship. AI tools should guide students through the learning process, not do the work for them. For example, the Code Helper offers guidance and conceptual help, while the Writing Coach flags overquoting and close paraphrasing. This ensures that students develop their own skills and understanding. Professional ethics are just as important as academic integrity. The Career Coach, for example, never invents or embellishes experiences and recommends removing sensitive personal details from resumes for fairness. These practices help students present themselves honestly and ethically in the job market. Accuracy and integrity are non-negotiable. The personal tutor avoids fabrications and marks concepts it doesn't know, while the smart quiz partner prevents exam leakage. The code helper confirms any suggested file edits or deletions before making changes. These safeguards ensure that AI tools support, rather than undermine, academic and professional standards. Imagine a student struggling with matrix determinants in math. The personal tutor can walk them through the problem step by step, offering hints and explanations along the way. By encouraging the student to attempt each step before providing the solution, the tutor helps build true understanding and confidence. Student preparing for a biology exam uses the smart quiz partner to practice. The model serves one question at a time, adapts the difficulty based on answers, and provides rationales for each response. Every 5 questions, it shows a mastery table, helping the student track progress and focus on weak areas. Student-facing writer's block turns to the writing coach for help brainstorming a thesis and outlining an essay. The model suggests several thesis directions, helps organize ideas, and provides feedback on clarity and structure. Throughout the process, the student's voice remains central, ensuring authentic authorship. When a student encounters an error in their Python code, the code helper quickly diagnoses the likely issues, outlines a fix plan, and explains the reasoning behind each step. By encouraging the student to run tests and interpret the results, the model fosters deeper understanding and independent problem-solving. Student preparing for job applications uses the career coach to tailor their resume and practice interview questions. The model generates optimized bullet points, drafts a concise cover letter, and conducts a mock interview, providing feedback on clarity and impact. All content is authentic, helping the student stand out ethically. Journey doesn't end after building your GPT. Collect feedback from users and use it to refine and improve the model. This continuous improvement cycle ensures that your AI assistant remains effective, relevant, and aligned with evolving student needs. Collaboration and iteration are key to long-term success. Educators can leverage these GPT models to provide more personalized support, automate routine tasks, and focus on high-impact teaching. By integrating AI into the classroom, teachers can better address diverse student needs and foster a more engaging, inclusive learning environment. University IT teams play a crucial role in deploying and maintaining these AI solutions. By ensuring secure, scalable, and user-friendly implementations, IT professionals help maximize the benefits of custom GPTs for students and faculty alike. Collaboration between educators, and students is essential for success. As AI technology continues to evolve, its role in education will only grow. Custom GPT models offer a glimpse into the future where learning is more personalized, accessible, and effective. By embracing these tools responsibly, we can create a brighter, more equitable future for all students. To recap, the 5 proven GPT models, personal tutor, smart quiz partner, writing coach, code helper, and career coach, address the most pressing needs of modern students. Each model is a blueprint for targeted support, helping students learn, practice, and prepare for their futures with confidence and integrity. Now is the time to harness the power of AI for education. Whether you're a student, educator, or IT professional, these 5 GPT models offer practical, ethical, and effective solutions for the challenges of modern learning. Start with one playbook, gather your resources, and begin building a smarter, more supportive educational journey today.